Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ready to master the art of the perfect cheesy scrambled eggs? This video will show you how to create incredibly fluffy and delicious eggs in just a few minutes, turning any morning into a special occasion. We are making breakfast that is both satisfying and surprisingly easy to achieve. Get ready to elevate your egg game with a few simple steps. You will be amazed at the difference. Our journey to delicious eggs begins with the right ingredients and a little preparation. For 2 to 3 servings, crack 6 large eggs into a bowl, then add a generous splash of milk or cream, about 2 tablespoons. Season them lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper, then whisk vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. The secret to truly tender scrambled eggs lies in proper heat control and continuous movement. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt completely until it's foamy and shimmers. Pour in your whisked egg mixture, then let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. This allows a gentle set to begin forming on the bottom. Now it's time to introduce that irresistible cheesy goodness and achieve a perfectly soft scramble. Using a silicone spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Continue this gentle folding motion, letting any uncooked egg flow underneath, until the mixture is mostly set, but still has a slight wet sheen. Now, sprinkle in about a 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, folding it in just until it melts. The final touch is crucial for achieving that ultimate creamy texture and preventing overcooking. Take your pan off the heat when the eggs are still slightly soft and glistening. They will continue to cook perfectly with the residual warmth. Transfer them immediately to a plate. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley, and perhaps a dash of hot sauce if you like a little kick. Enjoy your truly delightful, fluffy, cheesy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.